Today's tutorial, how to read an XLSX file in C#. So that spreadsheet of data that your app needs to read, you can pull every value out of it in C# with no Excel installed, no interop, and none of the usual COM headaches, just IronXL. So let me show you how to read an XLSX file end to end. We've already got the IronXL new package installed, and we're in plain C# console application. At the top of our program CS, we pull in our using system for the basics and using IronXL for the Excel work. Everything else lives in the main method. So first we load the file. We call workbook.load and then pass it our file, data.xlsx. That hands back a workbook object representing the entire spreadsheet, every sheet, every cell. So now getting to a worksheet, you've got options, right? And grab one by name with get worksheet and the worksheet name. Grab one by position through the worksheets collection and an index, or just take the default sheet. So for this example, we're going to go by name. So reading a cell is where IronXL gets nice. We read cell A1 as text with string value and cell B1 as a number with integer value. Same library, and it hands you back the right type for each cell instead of making you parse strings yourself. One cell is fine, but you usually want a range, right? So we walk the cells in the range A2 through A10 and then print each value to the console. Reading a whole column is just the range and a loop. And IronXL does the math for you. So take the range G2 through G10 and then call sum, min, and max right on it. No manual loop, no running totals. Those three calls gives you the total, the smallest value, and the largest in the column. All right, let's go ahead and run it. All right, very good. So let's check it out. On the left, you can see the Excel file that we started with, and on the right, the console output. So there's the string from A1, the integer from B1, and then the values from A2 to A10, which are our customer segments. And at the bottom, the calculations on the sale price column, the sum comes up to $597, the minimum is 12, and the maximum is $350. And that's it, my friends. That's reading an XLSX file in C#, cells, ranges, and built-in calculations, all without Excel on the machine. All right, if this tutorial helped you, IronXL gives you a free trial to use on your library to run against all of your spreadsheets. Go to our website, download, and install to check out the full power of our software. Link in the description below. Also, don't forget to subscribe. We got a lot more C# Excel content queued up on the channel, ready to go. Stay tuned.